friends, and welcome back to Mohammed Mates. On Thursday, I was in Hyde Park with my friend and we saw so many conkers. Some were in the tree and some were on the ground. We picked some off the ground and knocked some down from the tree with a stick and cracked them open with the spiky green shells off. And we collected them like hunter-gatherers, like hunting for woolly mammoths. So I thought I need to find loads of fun things to do with all these conkers. So today I'm gonna make conker soap. Let's get started. Step 1 is take a tea towel or any scrap material as well and just lay it out flat, and take a hammer and 20 or so conkers. I'm just grabbing them and putting them down. And then I'm going to just fold it over and smash, smash, smash. The hammer wasn't working well, so let's try the mallet. As I smash them, I'm taking the shell off too. Well, that took some time, separating the shell from the inside. I got my mum and dad to help me. Now let's get inside. The shell of the conker has tannin in it, which some people say can stain your clothes. It's like a dye. Oh, I'm gonna explore this with my mum because maybe we could natural dye something with it. I'll keep you posted about that. The conker flesh has saponin in it, which is used to make soap as well. It's a natural ingredient, and that's why I'm going to try make conker soap with it today. Now I'm going to put the flesh in the blender and add some hot water to it. Whoa, that's quite a bit. My mum's going to put some hot water in, about 4 cups, because I'm a bit nervous off the kettle. Now we're going to blitz it. Now I've blitzed it and it looks a bit like turmeric latte. Now I'm going to pour it in here, slowly and carefully because it's hot, till it looks a bit soapy. That's a lot of soap. Now I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then tomorrow I'm going to do some laundry with it after it's sieved. If you don't have a blender like mine, you can just chop it up and soak it for a long time, like a day. Or you could just chop it up and put it in a food processor, then soak it and sieve it. So now it's tomorrow. This is how the soap looks like now. It's a bit pulpy, so I'm going to strain it with this. So this is a mesh bag. So I'm going to pour it in to this mesh bag and into this bowl, and it should be liquid. I'm squeezing all the soap out. It's plopping out of the bag, looking a lot like soap. This is so huge and fat. This is fun. Whoa, that's a lot of soap. That's how much there is. So now I'm going to put it in some containers. So I've got 1 load, 2 loads. We've got 12 loads of laundry to do with this soap. About enough to last a month. Hey guys, I've never been so excited to do laundry in my life. So here's the soap, and now I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of it in here. Let's see how this turns out. I've done my laundry and now it's time to smell and see how it smells like and how clean it is. Whoa, that smells nice. Okay, I hope you're...
Is it clean?
Yes, very.
Have a look, open it.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. So is it worth trying Conker soap?
Definitely. And I hope your laundry goes well. Bye.